Okay, we're here once again for Mathematics Meal, a wonderful program designed to help students in the study of mathematics. Today on Mathematics Meal, we are going to look at a dinner question 3. Remember, we have breakfast question, lunch question, and then dinner question because we want to feed you mathematically in the morning, in the day, and also in the night. That's our business, to make sure that you are not hungry mathematically. All right. Even in your dream, we also want you to solve mathematics. Don't mind me. All right. Let's quickly go to our dinner question today. The dinner question is from geometry, polygons precisely. Remember, there is need for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Just search for Mathematics Meal 1 on YouTube and then also look for Mathematics Meal on Facebook. There is every need for you to subscribe to this channel and also follow us on Facebook. The detail of polygon is in our YouTube channel. You can watch it and solve as many problems on polygon as you can. All right, let's look at the question for today. We're asked to solve this question for our dinner, so we begin this way. Each interior angle of a regular polygon is 134 plus n degrees, where n is the number of sides. Name the polygons. Okay, name the polygons. That means it may not be one polygon that can obey this particular rule here. Okay, let's see the names of the polygon. Now, first of all, the joy here is that this polygon is regular polygon, okay, and we have been given the interior angle. For you to name a polygon, you must find the number of sides of the polygon because we say that polygons are named depending on the number of sides. So if we must name this polygon, what they are actually asking us is to find n, the number of sides. Now, for regular polygons, the interior angle we usually use I to represent that. So I is equal to 134 plus n degrees. That's what they say in the equation. Interior angle is 134 plus n degrees. Now, is there any relationship between n, which is number of sides, and interior angle? Yes. In one of our videos, we generated that relationship that n times I times n is equal to n minus 2 times 180, just for regular polygons only. That each interior angle times number of sides will give us the sum of the interior angles. That's this. So I have two equations in n and I. So if I is 134 plus n here, I can use this to replace I here. So 134 plus n can stand for I. So if I do that, I have 134 plus n times n. Let's put it in that form. Times n is equal to now n minus 2 times 180. So I'll just use the whole of this to replace I in this equation. That's the substitution. Okay, I can open the brackets. We now have, when n multiply this, we have 134n plus n squared equals 180n minus 360 degrees. Now, by having this power of 2 and then power of 1 here, this is reducing to a quadratic equation. So we can rearrange this to have n squared plus 134n, that's here. We didn't change anything. 180n minus 360. Okay, I can take the whole times here to this side, to the left hand side. Then I have n squared plus 134n minus 180n minus plus 360 now equals what? Equals 0. That's what we have. That's what we have now. Okay, we can go further by saying that n squared 134n minus 180n will give us minus 46n, then plus 360 is equal to what? 0. So we have a quadratic equation which you can solve using general formula method, factorization method, or completing the square method. Any of the methods can actually solve this. But let's just factorize. It's easy. We multiply this and this. find two terms that their product will give us the product of the first and last term. You remember how we solved that? We are not here for quadratic equation solution. So find two terms that their product will give you the product of the first and last term, and their sum will give us the middle term. That will likely give me minus 36n and minus 10n. Two of them will do that, because minus 36 times minus 10 will give us plus 360n, which is what you will get when you multiply n squared and 360. And when you sum minus 36n and minus 10n, you are going to have minus 46. So I will use two of them to replace the middle term. So I have n squared minus 36n minus 10n plus 360 is equal to what? 0. Okay, let's get rid of this. Okay. Now we can factorize by grouping. That's the left-hand side. Now we can factorize it by grouping, and if we do that, we have n into n minus 36. Then we have 10 common. 10 divided, we have n minus 36 equals what? Equals 0. All right. Now we have n minus 36 as a common factor, so that will give us n minus 36 here. N minus 36. What we have remaining will be n minus 10 equals 0. Okay. If the product of two numbers is 0, that means one of them must be 0. So n minus 36 is 0, or n minus 10 is 0. So n becomes 0 plus 36, or n is 0 plus 10. So n will give us 36, or n is 10. So the polygons, 36-sided polygon and what? 10-sided polygon. You see that it's a 36-sided polygon, or it's what? A 10-sided polygon. So if it is 36-sided, what's the name? 36-sided polygon is known as a hexatriacontagon. So hexatriacontagon. That's a 36-sided polygon. Hexatriacontagons, and then a 10-sided polygon is called a decagon. So the polygon will either be a hexatriacontagon or it is what? A decagon. All right. That's all for our dinner question 3. Remember, there is need for you to follow our page steadily for more solutions to various problems in mathematics. And also, we need your feedback. Always report back to us on ways that we can actually improve this particular channel and also improve our Facebook page. Thank you, and God bless you.